Good evening and a warm welcome to everyone. On behalf of Little Angels Academy and English School, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to our annual day celebration. It is truly wonderful to see such a vibrant gathering here today. We are here to celebrate the milestones we have achieved together and to enjoy an evening filled with joy, talent, and memories. It's an honor to stand before you today as we celebrate our school's second consecutive annual day program. Education is not only an acquisition of knowledge but also formation of character. We roll down a red carpet, welcome to all the dignitaries, parents, invitees, well-wishers and friends. It's an honor that this beautiful audience has gathered here today. I, Miss Aisha Vora, once again welcome as well as thank you all for giving your valuable time. Let's begin this beautiful evening with a prayer to seek blessings and positivity. I invite the students of the primary section to present the prayer song. Let's bow our heads and immerse ourselves in this soulful moment. Light symbolizes knowledge, hope, and positivity. To officially mark the beginning of this grand evening, we invite our esteemed chief guest, principal, and dignitaries to light the ceremonial lamp. Please welcome these eminent personalities with a huge round of applause. We deeply appreciate their presence, marking the auspicious beginning of our proceedings today. Witnessing the lamp being lit, may the upward movements of the flame inspire us all and stands as a testament to the power of light over darkness and knowledge over ignorance. A heartfelt thanks to our esteemed chief guest and Mr. Suraj Karkera for leading this auspicious beginning. As the lamp's light continues to radiate throughout the day, let it remind us of our collective commitment to knowledge, harmony, and progress. With this luminous start, let us begin our today's program. Every great event begins with a heartfelt welcome. To do the honors, I request Principal Ma'am, Trustee Ma'am to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest on the stage. May I request Manpreet Ma'am to kindly introduce our today's Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Suraj Karkera.
Respected guests on the dais and off the dais, valued parents, cherished faculty members, and my beloved students. It is indeed a beautiful evening, all soaked in the delighted frame of mind. It is my distinct honor to welcome and introduce a true titan and a national icon of India who is a shining example and a role model for all aspiring athletes and true sportsman spirit in the world of hockey. Our chief guest for today's event is none other than the illustrious Mr. Suraj Karkera, the goalkeeper of the Indian national team. He represents the pinnacle of discipline, resilience, and teamwork values that extend far beyond the sporting arena. He is not only just a player but also a true legend of the sport of hockey. Through sheer dedication, he has brought immense glory to our nation by winning multiple gold medals and bronze medals in Asian Champions Trophy and in Asia Cup respectively. He was awarded as a goalkeeper of the tournament in the Asian Champions Trophy in the year 2021 and was also felicitated with Chhatrapati Shivaji Award. He is a junior commissioned officer in Bombay Sappers, which is a part of Indian Army. He is an inspiration for many countless young athletes to pursue their dreams and with unwavering commitment. Your presence here today adds immense value and dignity to our event, and we are incredibly grateful for you taking time out of the busy schedule to be with us. We eagerly look forward to hearing your insights and experiences, which will undoubtedly inspire our young minds to aim high and never give up on their aspirations. One more thing I would like to share with you all, and we are also proud of it, that he is not only the resident of Upper Govind Nagar, Malad, but also an ex-student of our pre-primary school, Little Angels Academy. So everyone, please join me in extending a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Suraj Karkera, with a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir, with being with us.
May now I request our Principal Ma'am to honor our chief guest with a bouquet and a moment. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. No celebration is without complete the inspiring words of our esteemed chief guest, sir. No celebration is complete without the inspiring words of our esteemed chief guest, sir. I would request you to please share your thoughts and inspire our little angels with your words of wisdom.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting me and making me part of your annual day. I think it's always great and wonderful to be among children and watch them perform. So, ma'am has already given my introduction, but I would like to tell you all, I think especially the parents, I'll be mixing Hindi and English both. So I think children are your shadow. I think whatever you do, they'll copy you. I think जो मैं लेवल पे हूँ अभी यहाँ पर, हमें एक ही या दो बातों पे ज़्यादा गौर करने आजकल बोलते हैं कि वो है न्यूट्रिशन, स्लीप और आप कितना पानी पी रहे हो. ठीक है, आप पेरेंट्स को यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि आप इन 3 चीज़ों का बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखिए. ये बेस ईयर्स है, जो भी ये साल होते हैं स्टार्टिंग के 6 से 7 साल के बीच, ये उनके बेस ईयर्स है. आप उनका बेस स्ट्रॉन्ग करोगे तो आगे जाके आपको 100% रिजल्ट देंगे. बट आप अगर उनको न्यूट्रिशन में अगर आप उनका साथ नहीं दोगे, हाइड्रेशन में साथ नहीं दोगे, तो आपको आगे जाके काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ सकता है. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा यही सुनता हूँ पेरेंट्स से कि हमारे बच्चे कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर रहे. बट आपको असली रीज़न ये जानकर होगा कि आपने उनके उनके ब्रेन्स के लिए क्या अच्छा फूड, क्या न्यूट्रिशन दिया है. ठीक है, आप उन्हें अगर अच्छा न्यूट्रिशन नहीं दोगे तो आप वो फोकस नहीं कर पाएंगे. हमें आज के टाइम पे जो भी हम लेवल पे हम टॉप डॉक्टर्स, टॉप न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट के साथ काम करते हैं, और एंड ऑफ द डे हमें अच्छे ट्रेनिंग, अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस के लिए यही कहा जाता है कि स्लीप, न्यूट्रिशन और हाइड्रेशन. तो मैं आपको सब पेरेंट्स को यही कहना चाहूँगा, आपके बच्चों को प्लीज़ सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक से दूर रखिए, चॉकलेट्स, सभी चीज़ों से दूर रखिए. मैं आपको चैलेंज देता हूँ कि आपके बच्चे अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे और आपके लिए बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स लाएंगे. और प्लीज़ आप अपने हैबिट्स सुधारिए, तो आप बच्चे भी आपको कॉपी करके उनके हैबिट्स सुधर जाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable time and encouraging words. As we hold excitement and anticipation in our hearts, so without any further delay, let me take you on a magical journey through the mesmerizing world of our little angels. Last year, we went on a journey through different states of India and learned the strength and power of unity within us Indians. So, this year, to continue the journey, we are here to present त्योहारों के रंग Little Angels के संग. We all love festivals, don't we? We all love festivals, don't we? Yes or no, parents? So, let's celebrate the festivals of India tonight. We have celebrated all festivals wholeheartedly, but never really got to know the importance behind them. So, to help me out tonight, Bharat Mata is here to share her knowledge and wisdom and take you all on this beautiful saga along with me.
नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे भारतवासियों. My India, also known as Bharat, is one of the oldest civilizations with rich culture heritage. It is a country of various culture shaped over centuries. The people here are warm, welcoming, and are deeply rooted in their culture. India's rich culture is celebrated through many festivals with togetherness and lots of enthusiasm throughout the year. तो चलिए हम भी शुरू करते हैं त्योहारों के रंग लिटिल एंजल्स के साथ. Let's start from the month of January. Long winter nights and foggy mornings mark the beginning of the harvest season. So comes the festival of Makar Sankranti, Lohri, Pongal. One festival known by different name in different states, but the motive to celebrate remains the same.
Put a huge round of applause for our little tiny tots of senior KG.
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई. हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई. ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची ज़मीं पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है. शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई. दे रे भैया ढील दे रे भैया उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए अरे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे ढील दे रे भैया तेज 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 है मांझा अपना तेज है तेज 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 है मांझा अपना तेज है उंगली कट सकती है बाबू हो उंगली कट सकती है बाबू तो पकड़ क्या चीज है ढील दे रे भैया ढील दे रे भैया उस पतंग को ढील दे जैसे ही मस्ती में आए जैसे ही मस्ती में आए उस पतंग को खींच दे ढील दे रे भैया
उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए
कहने को तो खेल है तेरा मेरा साझा पर मेरा दिल है पतंग और तेरी नजर मांझा मुझे से लिपटी है पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए
ऊंचे आसमानों में जुड़े ऊंचे आसमानों में जुड़े
One more applause for our little angels. The harvest brings happiness, music fills the air, and our little angels are ready to dance with joy. So let us welcome Pongal and Lori dance kids with colorful moves, loud claps, and cheerful smiles. Let's welcome Pongal and Lori dance kids with colorful moves and loud claps.
ఎవరు ఫోన్ చేశారు ఆపు ఆపు ఎయిర్ప్లేన్ మోడ్ राजा मियां चढ़ दो यारी चंगी नहीं हो इश्क में मारी राजा मियां चढ़ दो यारी चंगी नहीं हो इश्क में मारी राजा मियां चढ़ दो यारी चंगी नहीं हो इश्क में मारी इश्क न चढ़ते कुछ भी पल्ले हो गए तू
commence any celebration. Please give a huge round of applause again to our little tiny toads.
The end of winter and the arrival of spring makes the street colorful and people swing, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. Here they are to make your hearts dribble. So do me a favor, let's play Holi.
Let's witness the performance by the Durandals of standard 3rd and 4th. Please give a round of applause and welcome them.
होली खेलनी हो तो एक महामंत्र हमेशा याद रखिए, वो है बुरा न मानो होली है। ये मंत्र बोलते रहिए और चुहलबाजी करते रहिए।
रंग बरसे, अरे रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे, रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे, और रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे, रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली, रंग बरसे।
Indeed, a colorful performance it was. From this, let me tell you one शायरी. रंगों की होली, प्यार के ढेर, आपके आशीर्वाद से हर दिन है पहेर. Thank you.
Coronation in Ayodhya and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So, my dear audience, did you know Lord Rama's coronation in Ayodhya and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's victory over the Mughals happen to be on the same day. Do you know the day? Let me tell you. It's Gudi Padwa, also known as Ugadi. It marks the beginning of New Year for many in India, and especially in the western coastal region. Then, Zalabaguya.
Give a huge round of applause for 7th standard students. 7th standards Forun Taka. That was a fantastic performance. A big round of applause again for their energy and rhythm.
The first best friends in our life are our brothers and sisters. Life doesn't feel complete without having a brother or sister who fight over silly stuff. To symbolize this bond between them, a sacred amulet is tied around the wrist of the brother by his sister, in return of which he promises to protect her and be her ultimate rakshak throughout the life. Hence, we celebrate this beautiful festival of Raksha Bandhan.
So parents, are you ready to witness our very little cutie pies? Presenting before you our cutie pies of pre-primary section. So give a huge round of applause to them. Let's welcome them.
धागों से बांधा एहसास दिल के रिश्ते का, रिश्ता ये अपना रब की रुबाई। मैं रहूं न मैं तेरे बिना, तू रहे न तू मेरे बिना। मैं रहूं न ये कैसी लड़की है,
इसका मैं क्या करूं?
इससे मैं क्या कहूँ।
ये लड़का है,
करती है,
झगड़ता है,
बिगड़ती है,
दीवाना है,
दीवानी है।
But he's your best friend, yeah. But she's your best friend, yeah.
तू मेरा हुक्म का इक्का, तू ही मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का। मेरा जिंगा, तू मेरा जिंगा, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। तू मेरी बाली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का। तू अलग हूँ, मैं तेरा जिंगा, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन। मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का नुस्खा, यही तूने बताया। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। मार चलांगे छूल गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नाच मेरी जा होके मगर तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु। नहीं जमा नहीं जमा नहीं, जब तक दिला सकी तुझे नहीं जमा नहीं जमा नहीं, जब तक दिला सकी। ओ हाय 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 मनो कर तब छोड़ी हो, तुझे नहीं जमा नहीं जमा नहीं, जब तक दिला सकी।
Wasn't it a fantastic performance?
A month of the long dawn to dusk fasting period comes to an end. The moon shines bright in the sky. Warm hugs and sevaya are served and shared wholeheartedly. It is a celebration of self-control, devotion and spiritual growth. The festival of Eid al-Fitr.
आज की पार्टी है, पता है आपको किसकी तरफ से? स्टैंडर्ड सेकेंड एंड स्टैंडर्ड थर्ड की तरफ से। तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए।
जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली मेरे तेवर में तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली। जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली मेरे होठों से धुआं निकलती है बोली। जैसे जैसे
हमारी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है। Celebration, नाचो धनाधन, म्यूजिक बजाओ, लो ये सबसे। Celebration, नाचो धनाधन, म्यूजिक बजाओ, लो ये सबसे। आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, सबको बोलो मेरे पलक से। आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, सबको बोलो मेरे पलक से। आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से, दम दम दुकुर दुकुर, दम दम दुकुर दुकुर, डिंग पटा मारे डिंगे बाबा।
What an energetic performance it was. Please give a huge round of applause to everyone. Once again, good evening and a warm welcome to everyone gathered over here. May I request our principal ma'am to kindly read out our annual report.
A warm evening to one and all present here. I once again heartily welcome you all to the second annual day celebration and prize distribution ceremony of Little Angels Academy and English School. It is a moment of great pleasure to have among us the dignitaries of such great tributes. Honorable Chief Guests, dear parents, teachers, and our cherished students. I'm indeed honored to have this opportunity to present my school's annual report before you. It is with great pride that I highlight the achievements, growth, and collaborative efforts that have defined our school over the past year. The dedication of our teachers, the enthusiasm of our students, and the unwavering support from our parents have collectively contributed to our success. Can we have a huge round of applause for our wonderful parents? The annual report showcases the achievements and glory of our school, undoubtedly, but also makes us think about our shortcomings. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform of individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. Dear parents, as I read out the achievements, I would request you all to clap and encourage our students as well. I commence my report with the achievements of our school. The year 2025-26 commenced on a wonderful note as our first batch of students appeared for their board exam. We are happy to announce that our school secured 100% results and Master Prithvi Jha was the topper of our school. A huge round of applause for our dear students. Excellence in academic is the hallmark of any good institution, and without any doubt, we are sure that our students will surely make us proud. None of these achievements would have been possible without the single-minded commitment and dedicated care of our teachers. We are also constantly encouraged by parents and well-wishers who have shown much confidence and given their fullest support. I wish to acknowledge the efforts and guidance of our management as the collaboration and contributions have made a difference. We have adopted various measures to achieve our goal.
extra coaching classes for the board examinees, regular weekly tests, and remedial classes for weak students, and in-house competitions. Are some of these steps. Other achievements are as follows. In the National Rangotsav competition, 63 students participated, out of which 25 students received gold medal. 19 students received silver medal, 15 students received bronze medals, and 4 of them got the consolation prizes. 5 students received the trophies for excellence along with attractive prizes. Out of these 40 students who had selected for the second round of Rangotsav competition at international level, this year 20 students will be participating for the second round in the month of February. I think our students need a bigger round of applause. They are going at international level now. Olympiad exams provide the students common platform to improve their weaknesses and sharpen their strength. Out of 61 students who participated in Olympiad exam, 40 students were selected for second round. Out of these 40 students, 12 were class toppers and 2 students received excellence award and 1 student was state topper. It is a proud moment for us as Master Kiyansh Oza from Standard 3rd and Miss Adhya Limbard from Standard 2nd received Excellence Medal Award in the Olympiad. Olympiad Maths exam, whereas Master Shubhan Naik from Standard 5th received a scholarship of Rs 1200 and was declared as the 4th ranker at state level in Hindi subject. Our students, 80 students participated in elementary drawing exam and the results were declared in this month of January. As you all know that last year we had registered our school at DSO, that is District Sports Office. Our students participated in Kho-Kho as well as athletics. I'm pleased to announce that our girls from secondary section reached pre-quarter finals. Now this was our first year and we are really proud that our girls reached pre-quarter finals in Kho-Kho. And Master Krishna Pawar from Standard 7, he reached semi-final in athletics. Congratulations dear students, and we expect you to win medals and make our school proud. A special mention to all the teachers who have mentored the students and trained them to excel and achieve. Dear parents, one more announcement, admission for the next year has already started. A rising number of new admissions is the evidence of great popularity of school in this vicinity. We expect to even cross much higher number this year. I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the management for the wholeheartedly support all the time. I also like to commend for the dedication of our students, and my sincere thanks to all the staff of Little Angels, PTA members and parents for their unwavering support. Let this day may be the testament to the spirit of unity and progress that defines the educational community that continue to inspire, and let us empower each other through the coming years. Thank you so much. We wish you all a very happy new year. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now it's time for the distribution of prestigious academic rank holder certificates, recognizing exceptional academic achievement, dedication, and leadership. Please join us in congratulating them for consistently demonstrating a remarkable work ethic and a passion for learning. May I call upon our trustee ma'am, Ms. Dhriti Goval, to give the certificates. We begin with the first rank holders of pre-primary section. The first rank in nursery goes to Master Karthik Sanjay Prajapati. Please give a huge round of applause to our kids to encourage them. The first rank in junior KG goes to Miss Vedika Dinesh Das. Master Pratham Shivlal Suthar. Please give a huge round of applause to our kids to encourage them. First rank holder in senior KGA, Miss Vedika Dinesh Das. Please give a huge round of applause to our kids to encourage them. From senior KGB, Master Swar Neeraj Kanojia. Thank you so much, ma'am. May now I request our Manpreet ma'am to honor our rank holders of primary section. Let's begin with standard first. The first rank holder of standard first is Master Atharva Shailendra Gupta. First rank holder of standard second is Miss Zeel Mitesh Patel. Parents, please encourage them by giving them just a clap. From third standard, first rank holder is Miss Shivanya Lalit Mewada. First rank holder of standard 4th is Master Mavya Vakas Paute. Thank you so much, ma'am. May now I request our Sanjana ma'am to honor our rank holders of secondary section. Let's begin with standard 5th. The first rank holder is Miss Devanshi Lalit Mewada. First rank holder of standard 6th is Miss Reha Shripal Shah. Parents, we can give a huge round of applause to kids. First rank holder of standard 7th is Miss Dakshata Arun Bagul. First rank holder of standard 8th is Miss Komal Subhash Yadav. Parents, we are lagging behind in clapping. Why you all are silent? First rank holder of Standard 9 is Master Amok Kamlesh Singh. He is absent today. And now, the most special award for this evening goes to the students of Standard 10 for securing first, second, third rank in SSC board examinations. This batch will be remembered in the history of Little Angels Academy, as it is our first batch to clear SSC examination with 100% results. A huge round of applause for the toppers. The third rank goes to Miss Shri Suraj Sardara. Parents, we are lagging behind still. We are not encouraging our kids. The topper and first rank holder of Little Angels Academy of our first batch is Master Prithvi Suraj Jha. Please give a huge round of applause to him. Thank you so much, ma'am. As our second rank holder is not here, but the second rank goes to Miss Diksha Digambar Wagmode. We can at least encourage her. Again, a huge round of applause for our dear students. Congratulations once again to all the prize winners. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Shri Krishna. We have all heard these beautiful chants every now and then. But do you know why and for whom? Don't worry, my little angels are here to show you the joyous celebration of Lord Krishna's birth, Janmashtami.
Here come the students of grade 5th and 6th with an enactment on the life of Lord Krishna. Let's go on a journey with them. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
भाद्रपद की अष्टमी को मथुरा के कारागार में आया वो क्षण जब देवकी माँ की गोद से लिया श्री कृष्ण ने जन्म। और इससे पहले कि कंस हर लेता कृष्ण के प्राण, वासुदेव ले चले कृष्ण को नंद के बेटे में।
जो है अलगेरा मखमलों वाला, जिसकी दीवानी बिकती है वाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसका है, वो किसका है, किसका है, जो है अलबेला मजनू वाला, जिसकी दीवाने बिजली हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है।
उस नदी में मत जाओ कान्हा, विषैला सांप कालिया तुम्हारे प्राण हर लेगा।
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो, राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो, गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो।
मैं कंस हूँ, पूरे विश्व में मेरा ही राज चलता है। कृष्ण, ऐसे कितने कृष्ण को मैंने अपने हाथों से मारा है।
चक्रवर्ती लक्षणम कुटिल कुपंथ कामि क्रोध रूप कंस क्रूरतम, असभ्य अत्याचारी अशिष्टतम अभद्रतम दुरात्मा अनंत दुष्टाय दुष्टदुर्जनम।
केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणं देवकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं देवकी वल्लभम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम, राम नारायणं देवकी वल्लभम, राम नारायणं
Parents, we can't see you like that. Please give a huge round of applause to them. Once more means the act was superb, right?
The Sukharta, the Dukharta, the God of wisdom, we pray to you to grace your halo upon us. He is our most favorite, and his arrival is celebrated largely with lots of joy and music around. The only thing one can hear for 11 days is Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Let's enjoy the performance by our students of Standard 8. Give a huge round of applause and welcome them. Are you ready to witness a loud and energetic performance? Yes. We can't hear you. Yes. Parents, we can't hear you. Yes. You all want snacks or what? You are not audible. Say, how's the Josh? Once more, parents, give a huge round of applause to them. It was indeed a wonderful performance, isn't it?
From the echoes of the past, we move to capture the essence of rich and diverse culture. Ma Durga, an epitome of self-sufficiency and ultimate power associated with her 9 divine forms. She represents Nari Shakti, the mother of universe. She is the preserver and nurturer. But when the evil arises, she becomes the fearsome warrior and vanquishes the demons. So let's celebrate Navratri by offering the devotion to the goddess.
Standard 9 girls are here to set the stage on fire. Please give a round of applause for their energy and empower them.
शैलपुत्रेति द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कुष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकं पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनी तथा सप्तमं कालरात्रीति महागौरीति च अष्टमं नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च दुर्गा प्रकीर्तिताः सिद्धिदात्री च दुर्गा
तुझ्या कृपा दृष्टीचे मी दान मागते गोंधळ मांडिते ग आई गोंधळ मांडिते
Ambedse Gondrai, Ami Ambedse Gondrai.
तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए पेरेंट्स। That was truly breathtaking. A huge round of applause again for 9th standard girls.
Clean your houses, put some lights and diyas around. Make beautiful rangolis, sweets and namkeen. As Lord Rama comes, and so does Mata Lakshmi, who brings happiness and prosperity with the festival of Diwali.
To win your hearts, या कह सकते हो आपका दिल जीतने आ रहे हैं हमारे नन्हे कलाकार। प्लीज जोर तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए उनका। पेरेंट्स हमारे छोटे छोटे नन्हे नन्हे कलाकारों का प्लीज जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए और जब वो परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं तब भी उनको एनकरेज कीजिए।
दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस डांस, ये मेरा वाला डांस, तो नाचो।
What a great show it was. Dear parents, a huge round of applause for our little tiny tots.
Finally, December. Kids' favorite Santa is in town. So, to warm up your hearts and end the year beautifully, here are our little angels with their sweet voices to spread the joy of Christmas around with some timeless carols.
Indeed, the atmosphere has turned very merry by the melodious voices of little angels. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive the King. Let every heart prepare Him room. And Him let nature sing, and Him let nature sing. And let earth and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men, let songs and from fields and floods, from hills and plains, breaking the sounding joy, breaking the sounding joy, breaking the sounding joy. No more the sins and sorrows grow, no thorns infest the ground. He comes to make His blessings flow, for us the blessings flow, for us the blessings flow, for us the blessings flow. He rules the world with truth and grace the nations through. The glories of His righteousness and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Please give a huge round of applause for our little tiny tots for such a melodious carol singing. On the high demand of once more by parents, we call our pre-primary section once again on the stage. Please give a huge round of applause to them.
धागों से बांधा एहसास दिल के रिश्ते का, रिश्ता ये अपना रब की रुबाई। मैं रहूं ना मैं तेरे बिना, तू रहे ना तू मेरे बिना। मैं रहूं ना मैं तेरे बिना, तू रहे ना तू मेरे बिना। धागों से बांधा एहसास तुमसे मिलने का, मिलना ये अपना रब की रुबाई। मैं रहूं ना मैं तेरे बिना, तू रहे ना तू मेरे बिना। मैं रहूं ना मैं तेरे बिना, तू रहे ना तू मेरे बिना।
ये कैसा लड़का है,
ये कैसी लड़की है,
इसका मैं क्या करूं?
इससे मैं क्या कहूँ।
ये लड़ता है,
अकड़ बिगड़ती है,
झगड़ता है,
बिगड़ती है,
दीवाना है,
दीवानी है. But he's your best friend, yeah.
but she's your best friend, yeah.
तू मेरा हुक्म का इक्का, कोई मेरी क्रिकेट का छक्का. मैं लाजिम, तू मेरा जिम, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन. तू मेरी बोली का सिक्का, तू ही दिलदार मेरा पक्का. तू लाजिम, मैं तेरा जिम, मैं अधूरा तेरे बिन. मैं किसी से कम नहीं, तूने सिखाया जीने का रास्ता, यही तूने बताया. नाच मेरी जा, होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु. नाच मेरी जा, होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु. मार चलांगे छूले गगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु. नाच मेरी जा, होके मगन तू, छोड़ के सारे किंतु परंतु. जमा दे जदू का मिला सक, जमा दे जदू का मिला सक. ओ हाय हाय बना तेरा तब छोई. जमा दे जदू का मिला सक.
And so, as we draw the curtains on this spectacular evening of talent and celebration, we would like to end this program with our last performance tonight.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा, आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा. बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी, जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी. अब न फेमस है याद आना, अपने संग तू भी आ जाना. छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना, जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना.
Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man. Everything's gonna be cool, 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 man.
जग ज़रा निकल गया,
much, parents. It is my honor and privilege to call our honorable respected man for a vote of thanks.
Thank you, parents. I hope you like the program and the function and the grand finale. As all good things must come to an end, so has a wonderful night, filled with rich cultural experience. It is always remarkable to see how color, sound, and movement can embody the essence of who we are as people. Don't you agree? Yes. Indeed, it's been an absolute pleasure to see and experience our traditions, culture coming alive tonight. We hope you all enjoyed the evening as much as we did. Yes? Before we part ways, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the management and all the teaching and non-teaching members. One by one, I'll introduce. First of all, without whom this night would not be possible, my very core team, my PTA members, please come on the stage. A huge round of applause for all the PTA members. I would request all my PTA members to come on the stage. Along with the PTA member, this year she was not elected the PTA member, but she has been a rock in my annual day celebration, the costume and everything. I would request Miss Deepika Darji, Pankti Taylor's mother, on the stage, please. Thank you. Clap. Most of the PTA members are missing, so because they are handling your children there. So we'll also remember them and we'll clap for them. Thank you, PTA members, for being such a lovely staff. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our choreographer, Mudita Miss and Krishna Miss. Now, my core team, my teaching staff is not present here, and my non-teaching staff all have been a great part of this event. My secondary section, primary section, pre-primary section, and also the ones who you don't see but are the backbones of our Little Angels Academy, our non-teaching faculty. For the technical team, we have Trupti Miss and Prerna Miss. For our helping staff, we have Poonam Tai, Rajshri Tai, and Vaishnavi Tai. Also, Santosh Bhaiya. Without you parents and your cooperation, this evening was not possible. So thank you for your cooperation, for your enthusiasm that you showed, great spirit to take part in the annual day, and you removed so much of time for your children and were disciplined throughout the function. So thank you once again, and a very happy new year and Merry Christmas. Thank you.